Samsung and Apple both released their flagship tablets this year, the Galaxy S10 Ultra and the iPad Pro M4, igniting the debate over which company offers the superior device. In today's video, we will compare the design, build quality, and performance of both of these devices. We'll also discuss particularly their processors, the custom Exynos chip in the TabS10 Ultra and Apple's latest M4 Silicon in the iPad Pro. Find out which one of these is worth the value and provides the best tablet experience. Without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. The Samsung Galaxy TabS10 Ultra and the iPad Pro M4 have quite different design approaches. The TabS10 Ultra has a larger 14.6-inch display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, while the new iPad Pro features a more compact 11-inch screen with a 3:2 ratio. Samsung's tablet has a higher screen-to-body ratio than Apple's, offering a more immersive viewing experience. Both devices prioritize thinness, with the TabS10 Ultra measuring 5.4 mm and the iPad Pro at 5.3 mm. However, the TabS10 Ultra is significantly heavier at 718 grams compared to the iPad's 444 grams. In terms of display, Samsung utilizes a dynamic AMOLED 2X, and Apple opts for Ultra Retina Tandem OLED. Both support 120 Hz refresh rates and HDR, but the iPad Pro offers higher peak brightness at 1600 nits. The Galaxy TabS10 Ultra and iPad Pro M4 both pack powerful processors. The TabS10 Ultra features a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chip with an octa-core CPU, including a 3.25 GHz Cortex-X4 core. It's paired with an Immortalis G720MC12 GPU. Whereas the new iPad Pro uses the brand new M4 chip, with 10-core CPU options depending on storage capacity, all clocked at 4.4 GHz. The TabS10 Ultra offers 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, while the iPad Pro provides an option of 8 GB or 16 GB. The TabS10 Ultra supports expandable storage via microsticks, but the iPad Pro relies solely on internal storage. Both tablets offer similar storage options, ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, with the iPad Pro M4 also available in a 2 TB variant. The TabS10 Ultra features a dual rear camera system with a 13-megapixel wide and 8-megapixels ultra-wide lens, capable of 4K video at 30 fps. Its front-facing setup includes two 12-megapixel cameras, one wide and one ultra-wide. The iPad Pro M4 has a single 12-megapixels wide rear camera paired with a lidar scanner for depth sensing. It supports 4K at up to 60 fps and ProRes recording. The iPad's front camera is a single 12-megapixels ultra-wide lens. Both tablets include HDR functionality, but the iPad Pro M4's quad LED flash and advanced video capabilities give it an edge in overall camera performance. Both devices feature quad-speaker setups for immersive audio. Connectivity-wise, the TabS10 Ultra offers Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, while the iPad Pro M4 supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. The TabS10 Ultra includes an under-display fingerprint sensor and supports Samsung DeX for desktop-like functionality. The iPad Pro M4 relies on Face ID for biometric authentication and boasts a Thunderbolt 3 port for high-speed data transfer and external display support. The Galaxy TabS10 Ultra delivers an impressive battery life of up to 16 hours, matching its smaller sibling, the TabS10 Plus. The iPad Pro M4, however, offers a lesser 10 hours of web surfing or video playback on Wi-Fi. Both devices feature built-in rechargeable lithium polymer batteries, with the iPad Pro M4 specifically noting a 31.29 watt-hour capacity. The Galaxy tablet's longer battery life could be a significant advantage for users prioritizing extended use. The Dimensity 9300 excels in floating-point computations, outperforming the M4 by 46% in this area. However, the M4 chip has a higher CPU clock speed, 2 additional cores, and a smaller 3nm transistor size compared to the Dimensity's 4nm. Apple's M4 also supports 56% higher memory bandwidth. The Galaxy TabS10 Ultra leverages its processor for Galaxy AI features, including Note Assist and Drawing Assist, optimized for tablet use. Meanwhile, the iPad Pro M4 utilizes Apple Intelligence in iPad OS 18.1, with the powerful chip handling AI tasks like enhanced writing tools and an improved Siri. Both devices aim to provide excellent AI experiences, with their respective processors playing crucial roles in enabling these advanced features. The Samsung Galaxy TabS10 Ultra and the iPad Pro M4 both demonstrate amazing technological developments. The TabS10 Ultra comes with a larger display and longer battery life. Meanwhile, the iPad Pro M4 provides drastically better processing power. The choice between these flagship tablets ultimately depends on individual needs and ecosystem preferences. While Samsung offers versatility with expandable storage and DeX support, Apple's powerful M4 chip provides a great user experience. Thanks for watching. Which one are you picking among these two monster tablets? Share your opinion in the comments. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel for more contents like this.